So good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the hydrological cycle in our unit 1. So the hydrological cycle, the course outcome on the successful completion of the course, students will be able to understand the build the knowledge of various components of hydrological cycle that affect the movement of water in the earth. The course outcome correlated with the program outcomes 1 and then 7 with the program specific outcome 1. So what is hydrological cycle? The hydrological cycle is the system which describes and movement of water between the earth and its atmosphere. Water cycle describes how water is exchanged through earth, land, ocean and atmosphere. It is also describes the continuous movement of all forms of the water, vapor, liquid and solid, so on, in and above earth surfaces. Major process of hydrological cycle: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration and runoff. Evaporation. Evaporation is the change of state in a substance from a liquid to a gas. In meteorology, the substance we are concerned about the most is water. Water is the continuously evaporating from the surface of the earth, literally pumping more and more water vapor into the atmosphere. Evaporation both sea and land surface, where the sun is the most important factor determining the rate of evaporation. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process where plants absorb water through the root and then give off water vapor through the pores called stoma. Stoma are the small opening found on the underside of leaves. Of the transpired water passing through a plant, only 1% is used in the growth process of the plant. The remaining 99% is passed into the atmosphere. Condensation. The condensation is the process whereby water vapor in the atmosphere is changed into a liquid state. In the atmosphere, condensation may appear as cloud or dip. Condensation is the process whereby water appear on the side of a cold drink can or bottle. Condensation in hydrological cycle refers to water being cooled at a high altitude where the temperature is low enough for the formation of cloud. Precipitation. Precipitation is the result when the tiny condensation particles grow too large. Water are released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, steel, snow or hail. It is the primary condensation in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth. Infiltration and runoff. Infiltration, the flow of water from the ground surface into the ground. Once infiltration, the water becomes soil moisture or groundwater. Runoff. Runoff occurs when there is excessive precipitation and the ground is saturated, cannot absorb any more water. Rivers and lakes are a result of runoff. There is some evaporation from runoff into the atmosphere, but for the most part, water is rivers and lakes return to the ocean. So see, these are the picture. Through the slope also, the precipitation level, the infiltration will be movable from one place to some other place. Conclusively, hydrological cycle involves the circulation of water between the earth and its atmosphere. Water is constantly moving from one place to another through the process of evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff. Hence, sun is the main component which makes the hydrological cycle to function. These are the reference material. Thank you.